Kinongelam jongka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union hakash pautrik unaitung arhajar arhulai kelelek beni kendu menteri bedai pe ketanat kakwat kekhia kakong amprin lingdo ban Dawa penkiuno ekabainong jongki Asha bat kumjuru ban pentre kamno 6% ya ke health insurance na kabenta ki Asha lingba ke MHIS. Habai krench kilap pathai kubor hadin kejingi kendu bat kakong amprin ke advisor jongka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union kakong Suni Kharjana kalong bakejingi kendu jongki ke menteri kakwat kekhia kalong beki Asha kilakwa bak sorkar kan siew ki katkum ka bylla sngi lani ke minimum wages ban pentre kamno 6% ya ke health insurance na kabenta ki Asha lingba ke MHIS bat bantuklar halor kejing sha wengkam ki katukat ni ki Asha kirang ba shnong. Cucuk kakong Suni kalai thu bana kaliang jengki menteri kalau ong ban chim kia ya kini bat ban ya kren shwa ba chief minister habaya day begini kijing Dawa jengki Asha.
Per visit kasau spa tingka ka David tang season visit tang sisngi lai kilet after let lishnong ta mahaka tuk si kini tang si sau spa tingka kilet lai lishnong sau lishnong kamot tang sau spa tingka ben kini yo kena bar bikhaban pendat di program na jong tang adiki lai pau lishnong bikhaban pendat tina kata-kata kinhaban nek kita bun lishnong tang tati sau spa tingka kinhab yo tang ta sau spa kini yo.
Since you already asked us to keep, she already arranged a meeting today itself. Because last month we came on the 21st, so again she kept a meeting for today. So this is the second time what I say. Like what I mean to say is like we have three points with us. The first point is that the Asha demand for the minimum wages according to the Act. Then the second point is to get the full coverage from the MHIS. And the third point is to get the type of notification, because most of the headman, some village headman, they terminate the Asha without any reason. Sometimes it depends on the reasons, like if they want to kick out the Asha, it should be genuine. The reason it should be genuine. But for these 3 points, she gave assurance only 2 points. The 1 point is she already gave assurance that they should get full coverage from the MHIS if the Ashas get hospitalized. And the number 3 point is for that terminating of the Asha is to set up the grievances committee from the district itself, so that they will look after the termination of the Asha. That's it.
How much enhancement are you seeking?
What kind of enhancement?
For the honorarium, no?
Only Ashas used to get the fixed honorarium only 2,000. So with 2,000, the Ashas did not satisfied, because only 2,000 they cannot survive. They have to serve the children at home, and most of the Asha, they are the widow. So since after last time since the ministers now, she is the lady, she's a woman. I think we hope that she understands the problems of the women. So we thought that we expect a lot from her, that she will keep pushing this for that. We don't demands for the big, but then we demands for the minimum wages. Because according to the act of that minimum wages, according to the state itself, from the labor commissioner that we got the copy, for the unskilled it's 395. So if the Asha get only that much, also will be good enough. So that's it only. So she said that for this she need to get a meeting with the chief minister. She will talk to me and to the chief minister itself, and she already get the.
So she assured that she will get back to you.
Yes. She assures that she will get back to us after 10 days. Then she gave us also that you call me back after 10 days. She will call again for that assurance.
Thank you so much.